everyone, I'm back today with another video, and it finally came in the mail. My brickarms zombie defense pack. So let's just start with the review itself. First we have my favorite gun, the M9. I think if we can maybe look at it a little bit. Can it? Yeah. This is here we have the AC, an M16, really good zombie head designs. So I'm going to use that. Thanks for that. Gunmetal machete. How does it called? The the ARC, the XMP, and this medieval weapon I don't know, so comment down below. And we have the 44 radiates. Here we have here we have the M4 TAC. Here we have the L8 5A1. I think futuristic gun, maybe it isn't. The XVR. You have the M1 carbine. Another knife. I think it was used in World War I, but still no. One of my favorite shotguns, the SER shotgun. The M21. My favorite weapon of all time, the combat SMG, and a brown colored version of the M903 Springfield. And we have always the lovely cricket bat, so that's nice. Well, let's just jump in the other pack. That will come later. Let's get the card. And here we have, first let's start with the helmets. We have an MCH helmet. I have a lot of those, but I'm not really fan of it, but it's fine. Here we have a very nice gun, the NATOBR. Nice to get one, finally. Here we have the M249 saw, also really nice machine gun. Here we have another another one, the HEC. Here we have the M16GL, AGL. Sorry. You have a AK-74, I think. Here we have another of my combat SMGs. Nice to get more. Here we have one of my favorites of the pack. I think my favorite, the ABR. Very nice gun, very detailed. Here we have the AKGL, also nice. We have another ARC. Here we have a grenade launcher, MGL V2. Here we have the futuristic gun, I think, the PSR. And here we have, and here we have the M16. And this is kind of funny. It's the M1911, but it's if you look in at the card, you can see that it's another gun by design. So still very nice gun, but maybe yeah. And here we have a Magnum. If you want to see it, you can see it's a Magnum called Python. And at last we have an M4 SBR. As you can see, I read them off the card. And I also got two or free guns and weapons if you want to include that. So I bought them separate, these packs, so you get more things. But very nice. So I think that's it for today. So comment down below. Maybe you want be maybe you can see your comments in the Q&A. Because just comment down below and a question you wanna say to me or have for me, and I will answer it in the Q&A. But it won't be live; it just will be a premiere. So yeah, that's it for today, people. Really enjoy it. I should buy them. No commercial or something, no ad, but just common sense and that's it. Bye, people.